nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
I was a wank, pussy most niggas would die for. Bitch, I had you in position she couldn't apply for. Why you have to lie for? I'm bored.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed a look since Friday. Feels weird. It is Tuesday in Korea. If you are new, my name is Nikki and I live in South Korea. I'm going to do a quick look today using the SHAAANXO BH Cosmetics The Remix palette. And I think I'm going to go on this side. And I'm going to use the shades here. And then flip it over, and I think I'll take maybe 2 shades from here, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, I just feel like using this palette today. I woke up and I was like, I want to use this palette. Haven't used it in like 2 months, so, you know. Let's go ahead and dig into it. First shade I'm going to use is Terracotta, which is obviously this Terracotta-y shade right here. Then we're going to flip it over and go into the shade Vamp It, which is this shade right here. And pop that on the outer corner just real quick, real fast. Then I'm going to take the shade Dream Girl, which is this shimmery, peachy pink shade. Now, if you notice, I didn't go all the way into the inner corners because I'm going to take one of my favorite loose highlighters from Hello Gregory. This is his Unicorn Frosting loose highlight, and I'm going to just put that right in the inner corners and a little bit higher up, you know, but not all the way. So if you're new to my channel, I literally do everything else off camera because ain't nobody got time for that. Y'all don't want to see it. I don't want to do it on camera because it's a waste of time. So I did all that off camera. If I look real shiny, except for right here because I didn't spray any right there, I use my Neon Dreams collection from Drench Cosmetics. I mixed that with my foundation, and now I feel like a very shiny unicorn, and I like it. I like it, I like it, which means I don't have to use a lot of highlight today because we're already glowing. It's so pretty. So I'm going for the lower lash line. I'm going to use my favorite Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collab. This is the only palette I own of hers with them, but it's the only one that I like, so yeah. And we all know what shade I'm gonna go for. If you don't, clearly, we're going for Spark. I love this shade. I love everything about this shade. It's so freaking pretty. And we're just gonna put that all down there. I've been liking doing my lower lash line color really close to my bottom lashes. I don't know why, because I used to just put it like all down there. Not anymore. These days I get real close to my lash, like real close. Like sometimes I don't know why I put liner on, because sometimes I use darker colors and then, you know, you don't even see the liner. But it be like that. And this lash, I'm gonna need you to not stay down. So it's time for lips, and I'm going to be using, oh, there's something in my eye. I'm going to be using ColourPop Cinnamon and ColourPop Bretman Rock Lippy Pencil in Dukes, right? Yes, Dukes. And this is the finished look. I definitely added Trophy Wife to my Cupid's bow. Don't know what my hair is doing at the moment. Probably gonna brush the curls out a little more because I didn't want them too curly anyway. I wanted it wavy. I like this. I like this a lot. I like this maybe a little too much. I forgot how cute the SHAAANXO palette is. I really did. I really, really did. So I'm kind of excited about this look because that palette still got some magic in it. I like it. Although these lashes are like being weird. Like it's down, but like the way it's cut is so short that it looks like it's sticking up, and then I get paranoid and think that it's sticking up, and it's not. It's just the front. It's like really little. But they're cute though. Ew. So that's it for this look. Like I said, it was real quick, real fast, real easy, real simple. Just something because I haven't filmed a look because my face has been in pain. My face is still in pain right now, but powering through. So I will see y'all maybe tomorrow. Maybe not. I'm not sure yet. Anyway, bye.